See here, you have to find f of x is equal to under root of sin x minus under root of 16 minus x square domain. See, whenever you have na f of x minus g of x, you have to find what domain of the first function and the domain of the second function, then intersection, right? So domain of the second function I will do is easy. Second function domain will be what? Under root of 16 minus x square greater than or equal to 0, 16 minus x square greater than 0, then 16 plus, 4 plus x into 4 minus x greater than or equal to 0, correct? This is minus is there, so you have to multiply with minus number. So what I get here? 4 plus x into x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Test कर रहा था. When you multiply with minus, inequality will changes. Okay, now we can take the number line. So what you get here? Plus 4 and minus 4 plus minus plus. So answer is this, for this is minus 4 comma plus 4, right? Right, now we come here. So next d1. d1 is what is under root of sin x. It means what? Under root of sin x should be greater than 0, right? Greater than r equal to 0, correct? Okay, then sin x is greater than r equal to 0. So you know the sin x graph. You know sin x graph, sin 0 is 0 here. Yeah. This is the graph of sin x. Okay. This is 0. This will be how much? This will be how much? Tell me फटाफट. ये क्या है? 5 पाई. ये क्या है? 2 पाई. तो पाई वैल्यू कितना है? 3.14. हाँ 0. साइन पाई नहीं, पाई. पाई इज हाउ मच? 3.14. 3.14 के अच्छा sin x ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू 0 आया. ग्रेटर देन 0 अप होता है. 1 second. See here, you know sin x greater than 0, this is the place. This is the place greater than 0, right? And this is the place greater than 0. Sin x greater than 0, this is the place, right? And here this is the place. This is the place greater than 0, right? Now you will be having infinite solutions for this, infinite solution. But we have to take the intersection part of both, right? You will be having like this, infinite you will be having. Infinite you get. But here you require what? Where to where? Minus 4 to 4 between. See, pi value is how much? Pi 3.14. So 4 means 2 pi means how much? 6 point some. So can I take 4 here somewhere? Randomly pick up it. The 4 will be this here somewhere, and minus 4 will be where? Here. Here minus 4 will be here. Huh? Minus 4 will be here, na? Minus 4 will be here. So you can see that solution part for this one, combinedly solution part, I can take where to where? Tell me. Here I can take where to where? माइनस. अरे बोलो ना सर, ये माइनस 4 टू ये क्या है? माइनस पाई ना. माइनस 4 टू माइनस पाई. आर यू गेटिंग इट? माइनस 4 टू माइनस पाई. यूनियन 0 टू पाई. इधर के नीचे हो गया. हमको क्या चाहिए? कंबाइंड सॉल्यूशन चाहिए. ग्रेटर देन चाहिए. ग्रेटर देन. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर विल बी हियर? टेल मी. फाइनल आंसर विल बी व्हाट? x बिलोंग्स टू but equal to is symbol is there, so close bracket. minus 4 to minus pi union 0 to pi. This is the answer. See, I hope you have understood, right? समझ में आना, right? Here you will be having infinite solution like this. So you want to know this one properly. Today I will post it. You just watch it, that trigonometry equation, principal solution, general solution. I'll share today. Please watch that. So this is the question. Okay. Question is what? Find the number of solutions of the equation x upon 10 is equal to sin x. है ना, इसको कैसा फाइंड आउट करते देखो. ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, ऐसा क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. मेक इट स्टार फॉर दिस, राइट. तो फर्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर, व्हाई आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस क्वेश्चन मीन्स जस्ट नाउ यू गॉट sin x ना, सो यू विल रिमेंबर इजीली, राइट. अभी sin x का ग्राफ सबको पता है ना, एवरीवन नोज द sin x ग्राफ, राइट. मुझे पॉइंट्स बोलो. एवरीवन नोज बट दे डोंट नो द पॉइंट्स. फर्स्ट बट हाउ मच रेडियन, ओके. दिस इज sin x ग्राफ, है ना, sin x ग्राफ, राइट. चलो अभी देखो मैं क्या फाइंड आउट करने वाला हूँ. sin x इज इक्वल टू x बाई 10 ग्राफ. नाउ आई हैव टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन, राइट. नाउ टेल मी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ आई कीप x इज इक्वल टू 0, व्हाट आई विल गेट आंसर? 0, राइट. थिंक करना. इफ आई कीप x इज इक्वल टू 10, 10 इज 1, राइट. 10 कब होगा? देखो इधर पाई मीन्स 3.14, 2 पाई मीन्स 6 पॉइंट समथिंग, 3 पाई मीन्स तो इधर होगा ना 10. समवेयर हियर, राइट. ईयर 10 इज ईयर. इसका आंसर कितना है? 1. इसका आंसर 1 है ना. सी दिस ब्रांच इज व्हाट इंडिकेट्स व्हाट 1. मेरा ग्राफ ठीक नहीं है मगर ये 1 ही है, ठीक है. ये पूरा 1 का है. राइट, ये 1 का है, ठीक है. चलो इधर तक आ गया. अभी मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, इसमें 5 रखा, 1/2. 5 किधर आएगा? ये माइनस पाई, माइनस भी रख सकता हूँ मैं, माइनस भी रख सकता हूँ. 5 किधर आएगा? इधर आएगा. किधर? सो इधर आ जाएगा हाफ. ये हाफ है ना. वाई आई एम टेकिंग, वाई इज दिस इज हाफ, दिस इज हाफ. So here is half, right. Right, here also minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, right. So 2 pi after this is half, this is 5.
नहीं सर, वो 2 पाई के आगे आएगा ना थोड़ा. 2 पाई 6.28 है.
हाँ,
तो 5 6 के 2 पाई के
आपको 5 चाहिए ना,
5 चाहिए. हाँ,
तो अंदर आएगा.
अंदर आएगा.
ये इधर अंदर आएगा, बोलते नहीं फिर आप लोग इधर से सर, है ना. ये अंदर हाफ आएगा, ठीक है, हाफ आएगा, ठीक है. हाँ, इधर किधर आएगा?
अंदर आएगा.
श्योर. हाँ, तो अंदर में हाफ हो रहा है, माइनस हाफ होगा, माइनस हाफ होगा ना. साइन ऑफ माइनस थीटा इज माइनस साइन थीटा, माइनस हाफ होगा. इधर है ना माइनस, ये है ना -1 का है लाइन, दिस इज -1 लाइन. तो व्हेन आई एम कीपिंग माइनस ऑफ 5, इफ आई कीप -5, if I keep -5, I get -half. So -half means here somewhere. What happened? Acha, okay, idhar. Sorry, I am going there. Okay, fine. Next, what is that? 10. 10, I will go for 10. 10 where it is 3 pi after. Right? That will be how much? 1 I will get. So, if I join these all points, this point, this point, this point. See here. Okay, if I join all these points like this. Now tell me how many places it is intersecting. आपको number of solution है ना. When the two graphs are intersecting and number of places, that many solutions you get. Now how many places is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number of solutions are 7. So the answer is number of solutions is equal to 7. That's the answer. Mod X graph you know already. I discussed in modulus functions. So in this, many questions I explained modulus that all are coming in this branch. So once go and check that notes. All these are comes in functions only. So you have to revise once. Okay. Now my questions are how to find domain and range. Okay. First question is y is equal to mod x minus 1. Find domain and range. Domain and range. Okay. Y is equal to mod of x plus 1. What is the domain and range? Y is equal to 1 by mod x. This is important. What is the domain range? Okay, let's discuss this. Y is equal to mod x minus 1. What will be the domain? Now tell me. Domain means input you have to give. Range means output. What is the domain of this function? All real, right? All real, na? Every real number is accepts this. If I keep any real number inside, this will be accepts. Modulus function will accept. So domain will be what? All real, right? What will be the range? Range means output.
All real positive. All real positive. Plus 0.
Yeah, right. See here, this graph also I explained, if you remembered or not. The graph of this function, how you do? See, mod x is there means graph will be what? At 0 you will get the graph V shape. Right? This I already explained, sir. If I say mod x minus 1, what is the 0 of this one? 1. So you get at 1 this graph. At one place you get the graph like this. So domain is all real. Range is which is getting output. Right. So what is the range of this function? Range of this function is what? 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Right? Understood what I said? Yes. Domain and range you need to understand. Now tell me this one. What is the meaning of mod x plus 1? So means at plus 1 you get like this. है ना? वही है ना? ऐसा ही आएगा ना? So this is the graph of the function. Yes. है ना? यही है ना? Yes. So what is the domain of the function? Domain is all real. What is the range? 1 to infinity, not 0 to infinity. Right? Reason is I will tell you. Here you have learned trigonometry, right? You learned trigonometry, right? What is the range of this function? 0 to infinity. Plus what you are doing? 1 add inside. 1 to infinity. Right? Understood what I said? Suppose you have y is equal to mod x minus 1. Mod x minus 1 means what? At minus 1 you get the graph. What will be the domain of the function? All real. What is the range of the function? Minus 1 to infinity. Simple funda. Listen this. This one range is mod x range is where to where? 0 to infinity. And what you have here? -1, राइट. तो -1 अंदर किया तो क्या आएगा, y इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, यू विल गेट -1 इन्फिनिटी. इन्फिनिटी -1 इन्फिनिटी होता है, इन्फिनिटी +1 इन्फिनिटी होता है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द रेंज, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ दिस वन, y इज इक्वल टू व्हाट यू हैव 1/mod x. एक्चुअली x शुड नॉट बी व्हाट, 0. ये डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. हाँ, तो x शुड नॉट बी व्हाट, 0. mod x should not be 0. This happens when x is equal to 0. So what is the domain of this function? Domain of this function is what? R minus 0. Domain of the function is R minus 0. What will be the range? R minus 0. Right? नहीं होगा. ओके. सर रेंज क्या होगा, R प्लस -0. या फाइन. इधर y इज इक्वल टू 1/mod x है ना, इसका रेंज बढ़ा रहे हैं ना, तो हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, y इज इक्वल टू 1/mod x का रेंज क्या है, व्हाट इज mod x रेंज. अरे ये ऐसा बोलना मत है. हाँ, क्या है mod x रेंज इज व्हाट, हाँ 0 to infinity. आई एम टेलिंग, स्पीकिंग राइट प्रॉपरली, दैट व्हाट एज एक्चुअली mod x का रेंज क्या है, 0 to infinity. Okay, now we are substituting here. Now what I will get here, y is equal to, see this is a very important point, 1/infinity, answer is what, approaching to 0, not 0, approaching to 0. 1/infinity होता है ना, अप्रोचिंग टू 0 होता है. अभी ये -infinity है तो -0 होता है, ये प्लस इन्फिनिटी है तो +0 होता है. 0 प्लस मीन्स 0 प्लस मीन्स 0.001, like not negative. Okay, so 1/infinity. See what we will do, whenever you are writing this range, we write small, then we write big. Always bigger, what I want to, denominator bigger value will give the minimum value, and denominator minimum value will give the maximum output. Are you getting what I said? समझ में आया आपको? Denominator maximum value will give you minimum of the function when you have reciprocal. Okay, and denominator minimum value will give you maximum of the function, maximum value. So now tell me, 1/infinity will be what, 1/infinity is what, 0, right. तो 0 ऐसा लिखना है, राइट. 1/0 इज व्हाट, इन्फिनिटी, राइट. तो ये इन्फिनिटी ऐसा लिखना है, तो वही आंसर है. What you are saying, that is only this answer. We can go by this way also.